Hello everyone, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And the ones that started with me from my first video, welcome also. We're still on project 1, but this is part 2 of the project 1. The first project that we did was the straight stitch, rectangle stitch. Today we're going to be doing the vein shape. This is a very shallow vein shape, and then we're going to do this. I don't know the name of it, so if anybody out there does know the name of it, please let me know. Thanks. So we're gonna do these two. Last video before this, I walked you through threading the machine, winding the bobbin, and walking you through some parts of the machine. So today I'm not going to do that. If you're new to my channel, please check the video before this. As I said, it was project 1 part 1. This is same project 1 but part 2. So let's start. We're gonna start with the vein. Okay, you know a couple of things from the last video. As I said, you hold on to the thread, both of the thread, bring your presser foot down, hold on to the thread with your left hand, needle down, and keep holding. Do a couple of stitches and back stitch. After your first couple of stitches, you let go of the thread, you back stitch, and then you continue. As you come into the corner, you stop and use your balance wheel. Now I'm right at the center of the vein. I lift the presser foot, I pivot, then I move on. The back stitch, I'm at the end, so I back stitch. There we go. Be sure the needle is up. Trim your thread. Make it a habit that everything you stitch, you snip your end thread, or you can do a couple of it. Like I'll do about 3 and then I'll snip. Okay, hold on to your thread, bring the needle down, couple of stitches, back stitch, and then move on. Closer to the V, center of the V, I stop and then I use my balance wheel, come right into the center of the V with the needle down, presser foot up, pivot, and keep going. Back stitch because I'm at the end. Okay, I pull and then I'll snip it a bit at the end, but I don't cut my thread yet. I'll do about 2 more, then I'll start cutting my thread just to save time. Okay, press my material under, presser foot up, my material under, presser foot down on top of my material, hold on to both thread, bring the needle down, keep holding, stitch a couple of stitches, back, let go of the thread, and then back stitch, and then go. As you're coming close to the center of the vein, stop and use your balance wheel so you get right at the center. Lift the foot up, pivot, bring the foot down, and keep going. I'm at the end, so I slow down, I back stitch, I'll do one more, then I'll cut all my thread. I like not to see my thread in between the stitches. So if it doesn't bother you, it's fine. But me, I don't like to see my thread in between the next sewing line. So I hold on to the thread, I bring the needle down, keep holding, a couple of stitches, I let go of the thread, back stitch, and then keep going. When I'm getting to the center of my V shape, I stop the machine, I use my balance wheel, I get to the center of the V. Now I lift the foot up, pivot, then foot down, start sewing. I'm gonna do one more, then I'm gonna leave you to do it, and I'll cut my thread and then we'll move on to the next one. Or I'll finish it and then we'll do the next one, the next pattern. Okay, to save time, I'm gonna go off the camera, finish this, and I'll be back. Hello there, I'm back. So I finished all the V line. And please don't forget to iron each and every piece. And you can keep it in a folder, a file, something. Or start making a folder for all this that you practice it. Now we're gonna do this shape that I said I don't know the name. If anybody knows, to let me know. Okay, so we're gonna start on that one. So let's go. It's the same thing. Starting, holding on to the thread, so and so forth. Needle down. And what's my thread? Make sure both. Stitch a couple of stitch, let go of the thread, back stitch, and then off we go. Getting closer to first corner, so I stop and use my balance wheel, pivot, foot down, and then take my time again towards the end. I pass the distance, so okay. There we go. This particular lines, we have not a lot of thread to cut. Just the beginning and then at the end. Then we are done. So this one I go all the way through. coming towards the last lines. So come to one corner, slow down, needle at the corner, pick up, foot up with the needle still down at the corner. Now foot down and keep going. Getting closer to the corner, I slow down. I use my wheel, balance wheel. I lift the foot up. I pivot, go slow to the next corner with the needle down. Press the foot up, down, keep going. That's back stitch. This is the last line of this shape. And this brings back a lot of memories when I started learning how to sew. Okay, I'm done with this shape. So let me know the name of this. Okay, so come to the end of our part 2 of project 1. Okay, so the V and this shape. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, make a comment. So we meet on the next video. Bye for now. See ya.